Okay, hey guys, it's Daniel. So this is the Keyboard Shootout here with 5 different iPad keyboards, which I'm testing today. So they're all kind of around here. And this one is the iPad Writer. This is for the iPad 2. It comes in a, fantastic box, nice packaging and all that good stuff. And instructions, I haven't used it before, so let's check it out. Instructions are to take 3 AAA batteries and put them in here, which I'll do. Get this guy screwed back in. And as I said in the last video, I'm doing each of these in a separate video, so if you only see one of them, just go to my site and you can catch the other ones. Let me try to get this guy screwed in here. I'm supposed to use a quarter to this, but I'm being lazy, which isn't working well. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a tool to do that, so hold on one second. I guess that's the first kind of comment about this, is that the battery case is a little hard. Let me use a screwdriver to try to get this back in. Huh, it's not that easy. I don't know if I'm not doing something correctly, but it seems like they could have made this easier. Just push it in more? I don't know. Try it again. Wow. It looks like there's the spring, which I guess I have to maybe push it in more. Let me try that. This is quite a pain. I'm just trying to push it in while I turn it. There we go. Okay, well that was painful. Alright, now I'm using the iPad cover, so I'm going to have to take it off. For most of these keyboards I have to take the cover off and I can't use it, and that's the case here. And then I think the way that this goes is that it gets popped in, I guess, here, and then I pop it in up here. So that's how it fits in. So in terms of the case itself, this is what it looks like. So it's a nice case. It's a really decent form factor, actually, for sure. It's got a hard case on this side and a cloth on this side, and the keyboard just folds up like this, and then I think you just kind of choose different angles to have it on. Okay, so now I'm going to have to associate the keyboard, pair it with Bluetooth. Here we go. So Bluetooth devices, and I know that I have to turn it on at the bottom here. So there's this little switch, and it says that it's on. It's kind of hard to see, but it's not finding it, so let me just look at the instructions again. Battery power, it's supposed to be on when it's here. I think I put the batteries in the right way. Yep. Turn it on. Okay, so I have to press and hold till this light blinks. So let's do that. And the light's not blinking. There it is. Okay, so now it's blinking. And there it is. Let's go ahead and pair it. 8524, 8524, enter. Alright, so now we're connected. Sweet. So, let's see, let me just find, it's interesting. Okay, it wasn't reacting, but now it is. So let me just try typing a little bit here. scoot it over like this. So this is a test. Okay, I got the keyboard working. Now let's try this speed test. So I had 56 seconds on the computer, and let's see how long it takes me to do it on the keyboard writer. Here we go. Oops, so the keys are really small. This is a keyboard test. I am going to test a regular, oops, I guess I must have caps locks on, keyboard, against the iPads. Ugh. Wow, caps lock is like right next to shift, so next to the iPad, where's the, whoops, next to the iPad's on screen, keyboard. Oh man, caps lock is really rough, as well as other keyboards. I'm 25% more likely to use $ instead of, and let's see if Shift Option 2 works. Euro, cool. That's the Euro symbol. Isn't that? It's really hard to type with these small keys. I think so. Okay, now I want to take this piece of text here and I want to copy it, so Command C. I don't even know if that worked. I'm going to try it though, and I'm going to move it up here, Command V. Yeah, it did work. Okay, so stop. So 1 minute and 44 seconds for the iPad writer. General thoughts are that the keys are just very close together. It's very difficult to type with the keys so close together. So for that reason, I wouldn't be able to use this. Maybe somebody with smaller hands could. Also, the shift button on the right side here is a lot smaller than the shift button on the left side, and so that, you know, I tend to use my right pinky for shift a lot. I'd have to get in the habit of using my left. In terms of what features the keyboard has, so you can go to the main screen, you can go to search, you can go to photos, you can go to keyboard. Try to get out of photos here. Okay, it doesn't look like these do anything. So F4, F5, and F6 don't do anything. Looks like F7, F8, and F9 are for music. Nothing here. And then you can change volume and you can lock the screen. One thing this keyboard is missing is copy and paste keys. Now Command C and Command V did work, which is good, but I know that the Logitech keyboard for iPad 2 over here, which is currently my favorite just from very limited testing, has copy and paste keys here that you can see. Let me actually try to get these to not be blurry for you. So copy and paste for this keyboard, but there's nothing like that on this keyboard. So I think that is another reason. Keys that are very close together, as well as a lack of functionality that this other keyboard has. So not a super huge fan of the keyboard. It is a very nice build quality though. Another nice thing is that this it's very easy to take the iPad in and out. I mean, relatively speaking to some of the other keyboards that I've looked at. So that's good. Pops right in here. And the form factor is also good. So it's not too big. So that's good. But not a fantastic keyboard, unfortunately, because it's very nicely constructed generally. Okay, so that is the Adonit Writer for the iPad 2 keyboard review. I'm gonna do a separate video for the next one. Again, just go to my blog if you want to see all of the videos. Ciao.